there is only one more diecast to be released in the main line, and that is Race to Celebrate Boost. Today we'll be taking a close look at the Race to Celebrate Fillmore, and I can't wait to unbox this one because this is probably going to be my favourite release from the main line of 2026. So I guess without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So yeah, I managed to get these from Smith's Toys Superstore here in the UK, or basically on their online website. So that is really cool. I love Fillmore just by looking at the packaging. I have seen a couple of videos, but you know, I wanted to review him fully on the channel for you guys, just like I did Sally. I absolutely adore that artwork of Fillmore there. As you can see, they even updated it to have the 95 LMQ. Obviously we've got the Race to Celebrate there. This is the daytime packaging. As you can see, Radiator Springs there in the daytime next to the 2026 logo. We can see Fillmore here in the packaging. Yeah, look, he looks really cool already. We got the name tag, or the name underneath the blister, which I still don't like. We got the nice blue stripe across there, as you can see. And obviously, because this is UK packaging or international packaging, you will only get the one card on the back. But you know, feel free to screenshot if you wish to do so, because you know, I believe there isn't a high res image of Fillmore yet. But there you guys go. Here is a look at the back. We've got the Volkswagen copyright, because he is a Volkswagen bus 2026 release, even though the copyright says 2026. Very strange. But yeah, there is a look at the packaging. Now let's take him out of the packaging. Here we have the Race to Celebrate Fillmore out of the packaging, and he looks really cool. I don't like how he tilts like the other Fillmore, like the regular diecast, although he doesn't tilt as much. Like the regular diecast doesn't tilt as much as the Race to Celebrate version, as we can see here. But you know, there is that. Obviously, I might show you an image where he appeared in the Race to Celebrate book, because now that is available, and there are a few videos on YouTube if you want to watch what the book is about. But yeah, taking a close look at Fillmore now, he's got his regular Volkswagen logo there, his headlights, which are a slightly different colour, his regular 51237 license plate there on the front with the expression, as you can see here. I believe this might be the same expression as the one in the 5-pack with the exclusive Pebble Ramon as well, which is available at Walmart. If you know what I mean, I might find an image on the screen if I do remember to do so. But this is where it gets really cool. I love Fillmore so much. Like, look how cool his stars are on the side here. We got LMQ for Lightning McQueen with the 95 there, and the checkered sort of flag pattern at the front. I love those orange wheels as well, man. Looks really cool. And the stars as well in like this nice yellow, orange, black fadey colour. I believe that's even purple actually, looking at it a little bit closer. Obviously we got the base here. It does say made in China, and we got the 1716 of the 171st day of 2026. And then we got the back here. Again, you can see what I mean about the tiltness. But you can see the boot trunk, whatever you call it in your country, on the back here with the license plate again. 95 Ever LMQ, etc. with the headlights there as well, or the rear lights, I should say. Here's a look at the other side, and probably the most favourite part of this diecast is the roof here, where it says 95 LMQ with a little Q with a lightning bolt there. That looks incredible, and actually it is purple. Looking at it, it might show up black on camera, but if you have the Race to Celebrate Fillmore, then you know what I mean, where it being 95 is actually purple. But yeah, that looks really cool. And obviously we can see the regular Fillmore here from Thailand, because again, there isn't actually a single of Fillmore this year, only in that 5-pack with Ramon. Here you can see the differences here, the headlights, the flowers are no longer there. But yeah, I still love Fillmore so much. One of the most favourite diecasts, because one side is completely different to the other, as you can see here on this Fillmore. Yep, there is a look at that. There is also the Race to Celebrate mini racer Fillmore, which I did want to compare him to quickly. You can see the front here looks pretty similar. Obviously the expression might be slightly different, and you can see here the side. Obviously I believe the colour is different as well, looking at it in person and on camera as well. Yeah, it is a little bit different, but you can still see the orange rims. The boot trunk as well is no longer outlined as much. You can see here the other side, and obviously the two bases, because this one is made in Thailand and this one is going to be made in China. So there is a look at Fillmore for you guys. Obviously not the end of the video. I did want to show you guys the other Race to Celebrate cars very quickly. We've got the least interesting release of 2026, and that is Race to Celebrate Sally here. She's like literally the least favourite. We have Meta, which uses pretty much the same colouring as Fillmore, especially the teal greenish, as you can see here. It looks really, really cool. Obviously not based on the Tokyo Meta, but looks really close to it. And obviously we can see here Ramon. Again, nice orange wheels, a little bit like Fillmore, but I believe they are a slightly different shade, maybe ever so slightly, very difficult to tell. Lightning McQueen, feel free to screenshot with him next to Fillmore, obviously. Shame we're not getting Sarge, even though he is in the book of the Race to Celebrate. And obviously we have two variants of Flow, as I have already done a video on the channel. You guys can check them out, as you can see here. 95 Day and Race to Celebrate, like the back in here, as you can see. You guys go check out that video if you wish to do so. That is pretty much it for today's video on the Race to Celebrate Fillmore. I know it's a short one. It's only about, what, 7-8 minutes long. But you know, that's what I try and aim my videos for. If you're new to the channel, let's hit 55,000 subscribers soon. Not 50,000. I want to try and get 55 before the end of the year. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, hype up this video, and until the next one, peace everybody.